A lot of you are in the middle of applying and are asking, how can I make my application stand out? We've gathered the top tips to demonstrate to you what an ideal fellow looks like to us. Number one, we're looking for fellows who know their impact zone. At beVisioneers, we focus on 7 impact zones: clean energy and energy access, alternative materials, waste and circular economy, to name a few. We're looking for fellows who have a profound curiosity for their problem, who are willing to go deep into the problem, no matter how complex it gets. We are also looking for fellows who show grit, fellows who are not afraid of failure, but rather see it as a way to grow and to learn and to become better eco-entrepreneurs. We want fellows who are in this for the long run. We don't expect fellows to be market experts, but we do expect you to have a basic understanding of your market and have good research skills. So what else is out there in your region? Who are your competitors? Is someone else doing what you want to do already? How can you do things differently? We're looking for fellows who are proficient in English. That doesn't mean you have to be Shakespeare, you don't have to be native level, you can have an accent, but all of the fellowship is in English, the assignments are in English, and you're expected to talk about your project, develop your project in English. It's an added bonus if in your application you can demonstrate that your project is a top priority on a local, national, regional, or global level. You can do this by citing UN reports, governmental reports, and other reliable sources. If you already have experience in the sustainable space, that's great. Show us what you've learned from that experience. We'd love to see any first proof you have of your prototype, if it's been user tested, if you have any 3D models, if you have any research done on the project already. Don't worry if you don't have previous experience. It is not a mandatory requirement, but an added bonus. The fellowship is not just a professional network. It is a community of like-minded thinkers built on trust, inclusivity, co-creation, integrity.